We'll guide you through how to hard reset a Samsung phone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So here we are on my phone, and I want to go and perform a hard reset. Now I know some people may go and define hard reset differently, so we're going to guide you through different ways you can try doing this depending upon the result you want. So first of all, we'll guide you through hard resetting it, which is essentially a forced restart. If your device is frozen or something like that, we can go and do it using the buttons and then hope that resolve it. But the second way is going to be completely resetting it, wiping all the data from it and resetting it to factory settings. So we're going to guide you through both of these in this video. So let's go and dive straight into this. So first of all, if you find your device is frozen, something's not working, what you can do is go and hold down the volume down button and the side button. So these two here. Tap and hold them. Depending upon if your device is frozen or not, you will go and see this screen here. Keep this held down. Shortly the screen will go black. You're only going to go and release it when you go and see the Samsung logo. So it shouldn't be much longer. There it is. You can then go release and it's going to go and start again. It will then come back on and you can go and unlock it, and there we go. Now for the second way of hard resetting, which is going to be performing the factory reset. So to go about this, we're going to be going and putting the device into recovery mode. So to go and start with this, we need to go and shut down the device. I'm just going to close out of this. You need to go and tap and hold the side button just below the volume rockers. It will go and bring up this menu here. Let me just guide you through that again. Tap and hold it, and you'll be brought here. Now, what you need to do is go and press power off, and you can go and press power off again. Now, go and wait. Shortly, it's going to go and shut down. You'll go and feel it vibrate. Just wait a couple seconds. It won't take long. Now, what I found on this device, it isn't the case on every device, is that what we need to do is it needs to be plugged into a computer. So I've got one end of the cable plugged into a computer and the other end of the cable here. This doesn't seem to apply to all of them. So what you can try doing is you can try doing it without the cable. If it doesn't work, then try it with the cable. So in this case, I'm going to go and plug it in. Now, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to go and press the side button and the volume increase button together like so. If you plugged in the cable, make sure the charge is showing and the percentage is showing, and then tap and hold the volume increase and the side button together like so. Go and hold this down. Shortly, we should go and see the Samsung logo. At this point, release. And now it's going to go and load the recovery menu. It won't take long, literally a couple seconds, and here we are. So then what you can do is you can go down the list by using the volume decrease until you go and have wipe data / factory reset. You can go and see your phone's reset. You'll need to enter the Google account information. So we'll press the side button to select it. And then you can just confirm here, everything is going to be erased. So just consider that all your data will go. If you're sure, press the downwards arrow key and you can select the side button. And that's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Have a great day.